All RECON Certified torque converters are built to the highest quality standards in the industry. That's because each one goes through this 5-step process to guarantee the highest level of quality. First, only the highest quality core is used, and all units are disassembled for cleaning and inspection. State-of-the-art media blast equipment removes the smallest particles and the varnish that can accumulate on parts. Second, CNC lathes ensure exact matching of every component and provide the most consistent quality in the industry. Scheduled and random audits confirm items are meeting specifications. This same attention to detail is seen on the inside too. In the third step of the certification process, critical parts are replaced and upgraded. Throughout this process, multiple manual and digital quality checks ensure the correct assembly and dimensions are met every single time. During the fourth step, OE factory welding machines and technologies are used to ensure a true converter with no leaks or intercontamination. All of these layers of quality wouldn't mean anything unless we were certain about it, so the last step is all about inspections. Custom quality assurance machines require human and machine approval for every converter to pass all critical quality standards 100%. At the end, we're met with a torque converter that meets the highest quality standards available, which is why it comes with the industry's best warranty.
Marrying up that technology with that experience ensures that we have a consistent product day in and day out.
I want the customer to feel the pride and the confidence what we felt building the torque converter.
You're going to get the highest quality of components that are inside it that involves some of those high-tech solutions to deliver the highest quality product at the highest quality standards to our customer.
Certainly want our customer to open up that box and just look at that converter and have confidence that you've got a high-quality product.
Your RECON Certified torque converter will last no matter where your journey takes you. So what does quality look like? You're looking at it. Transtar.